Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How's your day going?
It's going well, thank you.
What's your favorite color?
Blue is my favorite.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Are you a student or do you work?
I'm a student.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I'm learning English.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love reading books.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people.
What's your mother's name?
Her name is Lisa.
What does your father do?
He's a doctor.
Do you have children?
No, I don't.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes.
What's your favorite room?
I like the living room.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, we have a small garden.
Who does the shopping at home?
My mother usually does it.
Do you help with chores?
Yes, I sometimes clean my room.
Do you celebrate birthdays?
Yes, we have small parties.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, it's quiet and friendly.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house.
Do you have a pet at home?
Yes, a cat.
Who is the oldest in your family?
My father.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I eat them daily.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple meals.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I had eggs and toast.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I like tea.
What's your favorite fruit?
Mango.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do.
How often do you eat out?
Once a week.
Do you eat sweets?
Yes, occasionally.
What is your favorite restaurant?
I like Italian restaurants.
Do you like cooking at home?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, every morning.
Do you prefer breakfast or dinner?
Breakfast.
Have you ever tried foreign food?
Yes, I tried sushi last month.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, I do.
Where do you usually shop?
At the local market.
How often do you shop?
Once a week.
Can you buy online?
Yes, sometimes.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Do you like discounts?
Yes, always.
Do you shop alone or with friends?
With friends.
Do you like buying clothes?
Yes, a lot.
How often do you buy shoes?
Every 2 months.
Can you bargain in shops?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you have a favorite brand?
Nike.
Do you return items if not satisfied?
Yes, I do.
Do you like shopping malls?
Yes, very much.
Do you buy gifts for friends?
Yes, on special occasions.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I went to France.
How do you travel usually?
By bus or car.
Can you give directions?
Yes, go straight and turn right.
How far is the nearest station?
500 meters.
Do you prefer train or plane?
Plane.
Have you been on a cruise?
No.
Do you like road trips?
Yes.
Can you read a map?
Yes.
Do you need a taxi?
Yes, please.
Where is the airport?
10 kilometers from here.
How long to get there?
About 30 minutes.
Do you like traveling alone?
No, with friends.
Have you visited the beach?
Yes, last summer.
Do you like sightseeing?
Yes, very much.
What is your job?
I'm a nurse.
Do you like your work?
Yes.
What time do you start?
9 a.m.
How long do you work?
8 hours.
Do you work from home?
Sometimes.
Who is your boss?
Mr. Brown.
Do you work in a team?
Yes, 5 colleagues.
Do you attend meetings?
Yes.
Can you use a computer?
Yes.
Do you send emails daily?
Yes.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I jog every morning.
Do you eat healthy?
Yes.
Are you feeling well?
Yes, I am.
Do you visit a doctor often?
No.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes.
How many hours do you sleep?
7-8 hours.
Do you like swimming?
Yes.
Do you play sports?
Yes, football.
Do you go to the gym?
Twice a week.
Any allergies?
No.
What time do you wake up?
7 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
10 p.m.
Do you read books?
Yes, every evening.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, after work.
Do you use social media?
Yes, Facebook and Instagram.